Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here to share some exciting news. Today is the last day of May 2021 and it's also Memorial Day, so I want to wish you all a happy Memorial Day. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. So what I wanted to share with you is it is the last day to sign on to be a member of my team. And I would love to have you. So if you've been on the fence about it, you still have a few hours yet to join. But tomorrow is June 1st, and June comes some exciting things. Excuse me. First off, the list is going to come out for the retired items from our mini catalog. It is our January to June catalog. Let me just grab a drink. I'm a little dry. And I'm hearing, I have not seen it yet because it's not released yet. I will be posting it tomorrow when it becomes available. But I hear there are going to be items at 50% off. Great deals. You'll be able to grab some great items. While you're doing that, we also have the start of our Kits Collection products. So I mentioned it a little bit on my Facebook Live. And what this is, it's a choose your kit. So there are going to be different kits that are available. So if you're familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it's kind of like the Paper Pumpkin subscription box, but it's not a subscription. It's a kit that you choose. And while they're available, so when they sell out, they sell out. Stampin' Up! Will be coming out with new kits. This is just a little brochure on it. I'm going to show you from my iPad. Hopefully it'll hold out. So you may recognize some of these because some of these were previous Paper Pumpkin kits. And if you were not yet a subscriber, this is a great way to add some fun kits and be creative. So whether you are going to be going on vacation, or maybe you just don't have a whole lot of stamping supplies, or you just want to grab a box and go, this is going to be perfect for you. So let me show you. Let me pull in my iPad here. All right. So here we are. So now this is for demo eyes only, but we are able to share this with customers right now because I want to help you decide by tomorrow what kits you may want to put on your order. So all you have to do to order these is go to my online store at StampinSueCreates.Stampin.net, and I'll put that link down below in the description area. But one of the great kits, and I absolutely love this one. This one is called Centennial Rose, and let me try to make that a little bit larger for you. This was a beautiful kit, very popular, and you'll see here are all the components in this kit. It also includes a stamp set, and the cost for this is only $19, and it makes 9 note cards and envelopes. It comes with all these materials and an ink spot. You even get a block to go along with that. Next up, this one is called No Matter the Weather, $19. Who remembers this one? Oh, I did a real cute sampler for my wall with this one. Here's all the components in the kit, including the stamp set, ink spot, envelopes, everything you need, die cuts, even glue dots, and dimensionals. And again, you see a little block there. And here is the fun stamp set that goes with that one. Real pretty. All right, next up we have, those of you that like the beach, it's called a Little Smile Card Kit. Oh, that last one makes 9 note cards and envelopes. A Little Smile Card Kit, 8 note cards and envelopes. And again, it's $19. And look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. If you are a beachy person, this is the kit for you. And here are all the components in that kit, everything you need to create some fun cards, even a little envelope that you can put them in for gift giving if you choose. And here's the stamp set for that one. Really cute. Oh my gosh, love that. All right, next we have Let's Party Treat Packaging Kit. So this includes 8 pillow boxes. This one is $19. And here are the real cute little pillow boxes you can make. It comes with all the components to make everything. Very, very cute. And here is the stamp set. Now, how stinking cute is that? Look at that little, I think that's an iguana. It has a little dragonfly sitting on the top with the little birds. Very cute. Let's party. Yeah. These kits are like a party in a box. So here's another for the seaworthy people. This makes 10 mini cards with envelopes. You get 2 each of 5 designs and 4 boxes. So it's called You Are My Anchor Card Kit for $19. And here they are. Look at how super cute they are. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you. And here are all the components. And here is the stamp set. How cute is that? You Are My Anchor. Oh gosh. Congratulations. Perfect for the upcoming graduation season. All right. Next up we have for the guys card kit. You make 10 cards and envelopes, $19. And here are the card samples for that. Really cute. I hope you're seeing this well. And let's move over. Here are the kit components. Everything you need. And let's check out this stamp set because I'm telling you, this includes Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank you, happy for all you do to you. They say dad, friend, I love you, grandpa, uncle, dad, son, nephew, brother, grandson. I mean, that covers all the guys in your family, right? Oops, I made that a little too large. Oh, don't want to do that. Okay, now next up we have for those of you that don't want to stamp but still want to create some fun cards, these are non-stamping kits. These are $12, very affordable. And the first one is Petal Note Card Kit. It makes 9 cards and envelopes, and there's a sample of them right there. Look at those cute envelopes. My goodness. And this one even has gold foil little stickers in it as well. So no stamping. Here's your sentiments. You just have to punch them out. They're just die cuts. Very easy. Petal Note Card Kit. And this one I'm very excited about, and I have it here. I'm going to show you in person. So let's go back here. Notes of Cheer Card Kit. 9 cards and envelopes, only $12. Can you believe this? Look at these beautiful butterflies. And this one is actually a butterfly card in the shape of that. And all the components, no stamping involved, everything you need. Next up we have a kerchief card kit, $12, makes 8 cards and envelopes. But don't forget, once you're done with all the consumable items, you still have your ink spot, you still have your stamp set, and you still have your acrylic block to be creative in many other ways. So look at how beautiful this one is. Wow. And again, no stamping with this one. So this one will not have an ink spot or an acrylic block. That's why it's a little bit cheaper because they're not including those. And we have, this is the last one. Yep. Precious Parcel Card Kit, $12, 8 cards and envelopes. Let's take a look at that. I remember this one. This was a previous Paper Pumpkin one. This is absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning. If you like that vintage look, this is a card kit for you. No stamping involved. All the sentiments are pre-printed. You just punch them out and ready to be creative. Okay, so now that is going to start on June 1st. So let's take a look at how they come. This is how they come in this really nice box. And I'll tell you, being a demonstrator, I absolutely love the boxes because there's nothing printed on it other than Stampin' Up. And it's a nice sturdy box. It's not cheap cardboard where it's going to, you know, just fall apart. Great for making cards and then giving them even. So now this one, let me open this up so I can show you. I had to get this one. As a demonstrator, we were able to pre-order them. So this one is the No Matter the Weather card kit. And this was the one that I had mentioned that I made a real beautiful sampler for my wall in a 12 by 12 frame. If you go back on my Facebook page, and I probably have it saved under Facebook Lives on my YouTube channel at StampinSueCreates. Check me out over there. I post my weekly Facebook Lives there along with some other fun videos, but this one is absolutely fun. Here's the stamp set. I showed you it before. I'm trying to find something. Yeah, I'm a demonstrator. I should have white cardstock readily available, right? Okay, here we go. So here's the stamp set, and I absolutely love this. I love the clouds, flowers, raindrops, hearts, lots of sayings, lots of fun things. But the next one I want to show you, I'm very excited about. This one is absolutely brand new. It wasn't even, here's the ink spot that went with that one. Basic gray. Let me tuck that back in there. This one is one of the non-stamping kits. So it comes in the same type of box. And this one I had opened up on a Facebook Live. But let me share this with you. So here are the instructions, and I'm going to show you how easy these instructions are. This one is the Notes of Cheer card kit. And when you open this up, they are full color instructions. Okay, shows you how to create each and every card design. So it looks like we have 3 different card designs. And on the back, it shows you the contents. There's even QR code that you can scan for if you're a beginner stamper, where it will show you stamping basics, and you can also watch detailed instructions for the kit to scan that QR code. And so let's take a look. So we have our glue dots. We have some beautiful embellishments, rhinestone glittery embellishments. We have some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And here are all the sayings. So again, this is a no stamping card kit. And one thing you'll want to notice is this comes in all different languages. The English is here. You're on my mind and my heart, because Stampin' Up! Is all over the world. So we are making these available for everyone all over the world. So if you are not in the United States, you'll want to check with a demonstrator in your area, because Paper Pumpkin was only, and currently is only, available in the United States and Canada. So these kits are a great way for those that are outside the US and Canada to feel special and to get subscription boxes that are not a subscription in their hands to create. That was one thing they're very upset about, because they don't have them there. I am here for you today and always, and very nice. Okay, so we have some more sentiments here. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3 more pages here. You make life brighter, a little note of cheer. And I'll tell you, these days, who couldn't use a little note of cheer? And these pop out very easily. Let me show you. See, no muss, no fuss. And if you don't want that saying, flip it over and stamp something on the other side. Maybe you could color it with your stamping blends. I mean, your stamping, not your blends. My goodness, my mind is not working today. It's on holiday. With your sponges or your brushes, and color it in and stamp something. Look at these. Look at these laser cut dies. These are absolutely beautiful. So you get those in the kit. Here we have some laser cut cards with these beautiful butterflies. And I'll tell you, butterflies are very popular. Let's put that right there on that background and look at how stunning that is. So you can do that, a little saying over the top, and you're good to go. So it looks like we get 3 of those. And look at these cards. Oh my gosh. It looks like someone took pastel chalks and just brushed it over the top. And like I said, you know, put a little something over the top of that. Isn't that beautiful? And no fuss, no muss. So we have 1, 2, 3 of those. Oh, now here are the ones I was telling you about that are butterflies. So they are a butterfly card. How cute are they? And if you want to even make your kit a little further and get more out of it, you can always cut this and use this on a card and maybe do some sponging or something on this one. I'll tell you, the possibilities are endless with these kits. They are absolutely perfect to use just as made, and that's what they were originally made for. They are actually made for people that are brand new to stamping and just don't know where to begin. Maybe you want to get a few friends together, a few of you order different kits, and just have a fun time together, stamping your kits, sharing them. You can, everybody get a different one, and everybody goes home with a bunch of different cards from all the different kits. Wouldn't that be a fun day? And now these are just plain. So these are plain white. And then look at these beautiful envelopes with the little scallop on the edge there. And when you open it up, it's a party on the inside too. So we have 3 of the pink design. And can you see there's almost looks like little butterflies there. And then we have this beautiful green. We have 3 of those. And then 3 of the blue striped. And these are absolutely stunning. And then you get a piece of chipboard too. How many of us always love to have chipboard? So there's a sampling of what all these kits have in them. Let me put this off to the side. And so you definitely want to check this out. Again, they will be available on June 1st, 2021. Something brand new. And again, they are while limited supplies while supplies last. Because if you notice, in our catalog, we don't have any kits because this is a brand new program Stampin' Up's coming out with. Many of you know and have experienced, and I have as well, the disappointment when you see a kit and you didn't get it, and then all of a sudden it's on back order, or you wanted to get your friends together and everybody was getting the kit and you can't get it anymore. They have these kits available where there's a lot to choose from, and they will be changing throughout the year. They'll be adding new kits as kits sell out. So it's just going to be a lot of fun, a lot of great ways to create, and very inexpensive. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on the stamp supplies. Now, certainly if you have things in your stash, you can add to your kits embellishments. You might want to get yourself a pair of paper snips, maybe a little one of these liquid glue, the multi-liquid glue by Tombow. They are great. Or, any kind of little embellishments or ribbons or twines. But the kits certainly do include everything you will need. It just depends on if you want to kind of step it up a little bit, which is truly fun to do. So I hope this explains a little bit about our Creativity Made Easy kits by Stampin' Up. They will be available as supplies last, but no worries because kits will always be added. And be sure to follow me on Facebook at Stampin' Sue Creates. That's a quick way for me to let you know when there's new things available, when there are specials going on, what my Facebook Live is going to be about. And I do a Facebook Live every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time on my Stampin' Sue Creates Facebook page. And starting tomorrow, June 1st, my Facebook page is getting a facelift. So you'll want to join me, especially this coming Thursday. The date, let me flip the calendar, make sure I get the right date. June 3rd, 7 p.m. Eastern on Stampin' Sue Creates. And come on and see what the facelift is going to be all about. I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's going to be a lot of fun. And it's just a great way to meet some new friends, to have some conversations, maybe pick up a tip or two, and just have a good time. It's about an hour, but definitely if you can't make it, I truly understand. You can check out the replay or head on over to my YouTube channel to find it posted there as well. Well, I want to thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule. I know time is of the essence these days. We're always so busy with things, but just want to keep you informed, excuse me, as to new things with Stampin' Up. And I hope you have a delightful day wherever you are. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, what do you think of these kits? Was there one that really jumped out at you that you thought, boy, I really want to get that? Be sure to comment down below and share this with your friends and family. That helps me so much at my YouTube channel and helps me in my business to share the love with other people. All right, everyone, we will see you back here again real soon. Have a good day and bye-bye for now.